Trakai Castle is a magnificent historical landmark located in Lithuania. Situated on an island in Lake Galve, it offers a stunning and picturesque landscape that attracts tourists from all over the world. The video, shot using a drone, allows viewers to appreciate the grandeur of this historical site from above. As one of the most popular tourist destinations in Lithuania, Trakai Castle showcases the rich history and culture of the region. Its architectural beauty and well-preserved structures make it a must-visit for history enthusiasts and architecture lovers. For those interested in exploring the castle's history, there are guided tours available that provide insightful information about its past. Visitors can learn about the Grand Duchy of Lithuania and its significance during medieval times. The castle's strategic location on an island surrounded by water adds to its charm and allure. Travelers can take a leisurely stroll along the wooden bridges that lead to the castle entrance, enjoying panoramic views of the surrounding landscape along the way. Whether you're a history enthusiast or simply looking for a memorable travel experience, Trakai Castle is definitely worth a visit. Its well-preserved structure and scenic surroundings make it an ideal destination for photography enthusiasts as well.